Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the color temperature on your CHiQ 22F650. So first, let's open up the settings on our CHiQ. Here we need to scroll down until we see those three lines of color. And here we will have the color temperature. As you guys can see, we can change it. But now we need to go over and select yes. So we need to swipe up. And now we need to swipe to the right. Now we will be able to change that going either up or down. As you guys can see, we can change it to warm, sRGB, the user, cool, and that's basically all. So here in the user, we can also customize it. So as you guys can see, let me leave, and here we can customize our own colors. So as you guys can see now, there's a lot of red, and that's basically what we can do. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.